Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Mudassar Shahzad, and today we are going towards the last type of rocks that is called as metamorphic rock. Dear students, metamorphism means to change form. Most metamorphic changes occurred at high temperature and pressure. Conditions for formation of metamorphic rocks are the presence of these materials in few kilometers below the Earth's surface and extend into the upper mantle. Dear students, there are two basic types of metamorphic rocks. Number one is contact metamorphism. Number two is regional metamorphism. Contact metamorphism that occurs when magma moves into rocks. It also occurs near the body of magma. Contact metamorphism. Contact metamorphic changes are always driven by the rise of temperature. On the other hand, large-scale deformation and high grade of metamorphism results into the formation of second type of metamorphic rocks that is called as regional metamorphism. High temperature and pressure may produce the greatest volume of metamorphic rocks. Dear students, here you can see the different agents of metamorphism, that is heat and pressure. Heat provides the energy that is needed to drive chemical reaction, and pressure causes a more compact rock with great density. Dear students, in this slide you can see the origin of pressure in metamorphism, in which the different portions of earth crust may collide and produce a large of pressure on these metamorphic rocks. The next agent of metamorphism is hydrothermal solution. The mass of magma containing hot water that may escape from the surface of magma and promote recrystallization by dissolving original minerals. Dear students, if we talk about the classification of metamorphic rocks, there are two main categories. Number one, foliated metamorphic rocks that contain a banded or layered appearance. Number two are non-foliated metamorphic rocks that does not contain any banded texture. Dear students, in this diagram, you can observe a banded appearance of foliated metamorphic rocks. Dear students, here you can observe that there is no band in this marble and is called as non-foliated metamorphic rock. Dear students, in this slide, you can observe the different foliated and non-foliated metamorphic rocks. First of all, if we talk about the foliated metamorphic rocks, there are four different types: slate, phyllite, schist, gneiss, and three different types of non-foliates that are called as marble, quartzite, and anthracite. In this slide, you can easily observe their grain size, their comets, and parental rock. That was all about of today's lecture. You can send me your questions. आप मुझे अपने जो सवालात हैं वो भेज सकते हैं। अगर किसी बच्चे को कोई भी किसी किस्म की कोई डिफ़िकल्टी है तो अपने क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो सेंड करके उनका आंसर्स ले सकते हैं।